Welcome to the SmartBackup End User Restore Guide video series. The series includes several short videos, each covering a specific restore scenario. In this video, we will show you how to restore a deleted sheet, or revert to an earlier version of a sheet. For this scenario, there are potentially 3 ways to restore a sheet, and these include restoring from the deleted items folder, restoring from a backup copy in the vault, or restoring from an export copy, with the help from your IT department. So, in your Smartsheet environment, if a sheet were to get deleted. In this case, if I were to right-click on the sheet, and select the delete option, then click delete, then the sheet would be deleted. The best way to restore the sheet at this point is to go to the deleted items folder, and then find the sheet that was deleted, right-click on the sheet, and select the undelete option. When you do this, then the deleted sheet will be restored, and it will be moved to your Sheets folder. And then you can simply move the restored sheet back to its original location in your workspace structure. This is the absolute best way to restore a deleted sheet. And the reason is that if you right-click on the sheet and choose Properties, you will find that the unique sheet ID has been retained, which means that wherever the sheet was used, for example in Reports and Dashboards, then it will automatically be added back to those reports and dashboards. That is one of the reasons why this is the best way to restore a deleted sheet. Also, if we take a look at the restored sheet, we can see that if we right-click on any of the cells, even the cell history has been preserved in the restore. Then next, if restoring the sheet from the deleted items folder is not an option. Say for example, if a user were to delete a sheet, and then if they went to the deleted items folder, and then select the deleted sheet, then if they were to right-click on the sheet, and select delete forever, then that specific sheet, together with its unique sheet ID, would be lost forever. But again, fortunately, with SmartBackup, the user will have another option to restore the sheet, using the backup copies in the vault. To do this, you would locate the most recent backup copy of the sheet in the vault, and then you would right-click on the backup copy and the Save as New option. Then you would select the location that you would like to restore the sheet to, and you can then click Save to create the new sheet. Then you would switch over to the location of the new sheet, then locate the new sheet, and then you will be able to rename the new sheet as needed. Now at this point, you can see that the sheet has been restored and it has all the features of the original sheet. The only consideration is that if you open the sheet properties, you will see that the sheet now has a new unique sheet ID. This means that you would need to reconnect this new version of the sheet back into any reports and dashboards that the original sheet was connected to. And then finally, the third option to restore a deleted sheet would be a situation where a sheet has been permanently deleted, and you do not have a backup copy of the sheet in the vault. In this case, you would need to reach out to your IT team and have them restore the sheet from one of the SmartBackup export copies on the server. This completes the user guide for restoring sheets and data using SmartBackup. Thanks for watching. You can find more details about SmartBackup on our website at www.aqworkflow.com. And, if you have any other questions, please reach out to your IT department. Happy backups!